Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to build an investment portfolio for beginners. Investing can be a migraine-causing task, but it doesn't have to be. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the steps you need to take to start your investment portfolio. Step 1. Set your investment goals. What are you investing for? Who are you investing for? Maybe planning for retirement? A down payment on a house? Or something else? Defining your goals will help you choose the right investments for your portfolio. It is important to have clear, specific goals for your investments. Step 2. Define your risk tolerance. This is the amount of risk you are comfortable taking on to potentially earn higher returns. A high risk tolerance may lead to more significant gains, but also increases the risk of significant losses. On the other hand, a low risk tolerance may mean more moderate gains with less chance of significant losses. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial to selecting the right investments for your portfolio. Step 3. Determine your asset allocation. This is the mix of investments in your portfolio. It should reflect your goals and risk tolerance. Stocks generally offer higher potential returns, but also come with higher risk, while bonds are more conservative but offer lower returns. A balanced portfolio may include a mix of both. Some say stocks are best for those seeking to build funds and bonds are more for individuals who have already built a 7-figure foundation. You decide. Step 4. Choose your investments. This can be overwhelming because there are so many options out there. You might consider investing in individual stocks, but that can be risky if you don't know what you're doing. Mutual funds and ETFs are a great option for beginners because they offer instant diversification. Look for funds that match your goals and risk tolerance, and pay attention to fees. Step 5. Invest regularly and reinvest dividends. The dollar cost averaging strategy, DCA, is a very good method to use. Regular investing means putting money into your portfolio on a consistent basis, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly or quarterly. Reinvesting dividends means taking any money paid out from your investments and reinvesting it back into the same investments. This allows you to take advantage of compound interest and potentially grow your investments in a shorter period of time. Step 6. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. This involves regularly checking your portfolio to ensure it's still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalancing your portfolio involves selling some investments and buying others to maintain your target asset allocation. It's important to do this regularly. Once a year is a good rule of thumb. Step 7. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing is usually a long-term strategy, and it takes time to see the results. It's essential to stay focused on your goals and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Maintain your conviction and never invest what you can't afford to lose. Remember, patience and discipline will help you achieve your long-term financial goals. So there you have it, the 7 steps to building an investment portfolio for beginners. Remember to set your investment goals, define your risk tolerance, determine your asset allocation, choose your investments, invest regularly and reinvest dividends, monitor and rebalance your portfolio, and stay disciplined and patient. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to do it right. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to my channel.